There's so much false information out there about aluminum wiring. I can't tell you how many times I've been selling a house with aluminum wiring and heard another realtor say, oh, this house has to be completely rewired. That couldn't be further from the truth. Aluminum wiring was used for a short period in residential real estate from the 1960s to the 70s, but it was used in commercial construction way before that and is still used in commercial construction today. So what's the big hype with aluminum wiring and what's the problem with it? Well, the only time you run into issues with aluminum wiring is when it's incorrectly connected to either the wrong rated receptacles, switches, or it's tied together with improperly rated marettes. If aluminum wiring is installed properly, it's completely fine and there's absolutely no reason to replace it. So if you're looking to purchase a house that does have aluminum wiring, what should you do? You should get an electrical inspection done by the ESA. That will ensure that the wiring has been installed correctly and that it's perfectly fine. Now, if you're selling your house or living in a house that does have aluminum wiring, you should make sure that you educate yourself before doing any work on it. Or, even better, hire a professional. If you have any questions about aluminum wiring in residential real estate, please ask me and I'll be happy to answer them for you.